Not Costco's. Hell, I wouldn't put it past anybody. Allegedly, hypothetically, supposedly. Watch this.
She bought at Costco. A mechanic showed her how the gas from her car was mixed with water. But she says Costco won't make it right. Channel 2 consumer investigator Justin Gray is live in Dunwoody with what you should do immediately if you suspect a problem. Justin.
Yeah, Linda, every pump in the state has the number and the email for Georgia Fuel and Measures right there on the pump. If you suspect contamination, you need to get an inspector from Fuel and Measures out immediately. The bill for the repair in this case, more than $700.
And it was shaking like this, and the engine light kept flashing.
Michelle Rabinovich says when that happened, she rushed her 2022 Volkswagen into the dealer.
And that does not look that pretty.
Where they showed her this video evidence that her car's gas was contaminated with water.
They were like, you have bad gas. We have to drain all the gas and put new gas in, clean everything out before we do that.
Rabinovich knows where the gas came from. The only place she and her family buy gas. The same place that even the coat she's wearing in this interview came from. The Sandy Springs Costco.
And so I went straight to Costco thinking that they would stand behind their product, and they did not.
It shouldn't mix like that. As you can see all that debris in the bottom, it should be clear.
Even though Rabinovich provided Costco this video from her mechanic and the proof she purchased the gas at Costco, they denied her claim.
That sample, I can promise you, would fail, but that is what we call an unofficial sample.
We showed the video from the mechanic to the head of Georgia's Fuels and Measures Division at the Department of Agriculture, Doug Killingsworth. They regulate the state's gas pumps.
When we get a quality complaint, we go that day.
Killingsworth says his inspectors immediately check out any complaint reported to them and do an official test of the pumps. In 2023, Fuel and Measures received 809 complaints and confirmed 547 of those had contaminated or substandard fuel.
Number one, call us, and call us in a timely manner. I mean, don't wait. You know, if your vehicle's giving an issue, don't wait 2 days, 5 days.
Rabinovich didn't know to call Fuel and Measures back on January 4th. She thought Costco would step up and take care of the $700 repair bill.
For them just to dismiss me like that, and I know it could not have only been me. I got it on the 4th. This happened on the 5th. I am sure other people had problems.
Now, we started reaching out to Costco Media Relations about this last week. They did not respond, so I reached out to the attorney with Costco who was handling Michelle's claim today. She also didn't respond. If you reach out to Fuel and Measures...
Michelle, they ain't never gonna respond. This is why. Now, I always thought this was funny, too, because have you noticed, though, and put a comment down below if you noticed, right? Depending on what gas station you go to, say, for instance, you get regular, you get mid, or you get high-grade gas, right? And no, we're not talking about the gas that you put in your lungs. No, we're not talking about that. We're talking about the ones that you put in the car so you can go far, right? Not the ones that you put in your lungs and next thing you know, you ain't gonna have none. But have you noticed that depending on what gas station you going to, right? Because I fill my car up. This is my economically friendly car, right? And I fill it up $40. I have another car as well. I fill it up $40, right? To get around. It's my everyday go getting around, right? But depends on what gas stations I go to, the gas run out faster than others. Now, there's a variable to say that I may bust a few more moves than most, right? But still, no comprehender. I think this is allegedly, hypothetically, supposedly, right? Everybody hitting their gas with some type of water or some type of they're stretching their products. Everybody. Costco's just the first to allegedly, hypothetically get caught. There's other gas stations that when you pull up, you know that something ain't right about this gas station. The lowest prices of all prices. What? Why is it so low? Y'all all getting it from damn near the same source. So what makes your gas so low? You have to be doing some type of trigonometry. You have to be doing some type of trickery. You have to be. That's like the same thing with honey or olive oil, which I don't like olive oil. I'd much rather use avocado oil, but that's a whole nother topic. Can we talk about it? But all of these products, right, do you think, you know what, is no way that they're able to duplicate this? Yes, there is a way. Another thing, for example, especially we're in America, Himalayan salt. Now, you were told that Himalayan salt was good, right? It's good for you, XYZ. Did you know that they duplicate Himalayan salt? It's no longer what it's supposed to be. I'm going to show y'all the real sea salt that you're supposed to eat that comes from the coral. That comes from the coral that's natural, that have minerals in it. That's what you really need. But all these other things, my God, my fathers, you really don't need those things. And so I know something going on with the economy to where as though, hey, maybe Costco's got to keep up as well. Maybe all these gas prices that's going up, and we all know that it's a trade war, right? It's getting more expensive for everything. It's just the world we living in. Am I complaining about the expense? Hell no, I don't need to complain. Get some more money, do some more entrepreneur work, think outside the box. That's what we made for. Can we talk about it? I just want to talk about it. So, with that being said, do y'all think that Costco did that to those people? Do you think that Costco is tapping their, is stretching their gasoline with water? And for them to do that, and the lady had the sample right there, right? Look at the stats. The man just said out of 800 cases, 547 cases come back positive for contamination. Do the math. Do the math. That's damn near 3/4. You at a 65 to a 75%, which means that most of these gas stations are probably doing the same thing. So you ever wonder why your car, you go to get some gas, and next thing you know, your car don't work, or your car having engine problems? What? Are they in on it? Is the state in on it? It seems like everybody making money, but you off of it. But allow this problem, right? And I tell people, allow this problem to become profitable. That's what any problem you have in this world. Please make it profitable. You always have problems. Tomorrow morning, you're going to have another problem. Is it profitable? That part. On that note, if I add value into this day, smash that like button. Tell a friend and tell a friend. They may be hitting your gas tank with the water. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Comment, subscribe, like. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Smash that like button. Share this video. The world should know about this, because if they giving you kickbacks like this, Costco, I feel my thing up at Costco too. Now, I ain't going to say nothing about their food department, because when it comes time for wholesale shopping, Costco is where I go. When it comes time to get my little gold bars I got the other day, Costco's. So, I ain't saying that now, but Costco's something ain't right now. And this is going to get a lot of gas stations caught up. Because I know for sure, I be doing the same thing every day, right? And there's no way that when it's recession time, gas lasts you X amount. So next time, take a sample of that, take it to the what's the name, and let them pay for it. Let those people pay for it. Because my God and my fathers, something is going on. On that note, peace, blessings, and love. Call somebody today. Check on them. Check their temperature. Mental health is real. Mental health is real. On that note, peace, blessings, and love. Peace, blessings, and love. Don't forget to smash that like button. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Leave your thoughts down below. I really want to know what you think about Costco's.